Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare NinjaTrader and Tradestation. First I'm going to talk about the fees, then I will talk about account opening, inactivity fee, withdrawal fees, and then I will go to markets and products, like what you can actually buy on these platforms, and also then I will talk about the safety and design of applications. So let's start. One of the most important thing, the NinjaTrader is focused on the futures and options, and in that particular market they are dominating, right? Not possibly in options, but in futures, yes. So if you want to trade futures, go with the NinjaTrader because you're gonna save a lot of money on fees. But Tradestation got like everything. If I'm going to show you, let me show you on markets and products, you can actually trade everything on Tradestation. From stocks to ETF, stocks and ETF are for free. You don't pay any commission at all, and on options you pay 0.6 per contract. Now, but if you would like to trade on Tradestation some stocks, you need to keep in mind that commission free for equities trades applies only to the first 10,000 shares per trade. So if you would like to even buy penny stocks, you need to be careful. Okay, if you want to gonna buy a lot of stocks. So this is the first thing. Now, withdrawal fees. Tradestation has every month you have one withdrawal for free, and then every other time you're gonna pay $10. So let's say that I want to withdraw 3 times this month. I'm gonna pay $20. One is for free, and then it's going to cost me $20. So that's really important. NinjaTrader has also high withdrawal fee, and it's $30 to $40, and that's crazy high. It's really crazy. But if you're gonna trade futures, you can save money on it. But like honestly guys, if I would like to trade options, I would definitely go with Robinhood. I wouldn't go with NinjaTrader, but only futures I would go. Options, choose something else. And yep. So the next thing I want to talk to you about is inactivity fee that they have. NinjaTrader has an activity fee, and like it's like $20 if you don't do any orders when you access the desktop and like trading platform. Another thing is that you need to think about is that they don't have any mobile trading platform and web trading platform. NinjaTrader has only desktop trading platform, which is working only on Windows. So if you have Mac, Linux, whatever, it's not going to work. Now, markets and products, as I mentioned, they don't have that much NinjaTrader. Tradestation is completely dominating the market. Also, you have like a lot of ETFs, a lot of stocks to buy on Tradestation, only because Tradestation is directly connected to Interactive Brokers as a parent company, and they have access to every single product they offer. Now, customer service on both of these platforms is all right, but on NinjaTrader is better. On Tradestation, you don't have 24/7 support, and the live chat doesn't work. Now, the safety, like in my opinion, Tradestation is much more safe only because it's covered by Interactive Brokers. That's the most important thing. So this is pretty much it, guys. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask in down below in comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and stuff like that. And yeah, let me know which one you choose. Again, to summarize this, options, go with a Robinhood or Tradestation. I would go with Robinhood. Futures, think about NinjaTrader, but see those withdrawal fees and inactivity fees, and also that you can have on desktop web platform, which is not from the UX and UI standpoint good. That the like design and the user experience is not that good. So check definitely to Tradestation, and that's pretty much it. So thank you everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.